Okay.
Manual recording will now start.
And then that too.
Get her fast, don't bother getting the physics right, and the monetization department will sort out the shop for you. We've got 250 fucking stuff.
Okay, what are you doing?
Manual recording will now start.
Think about that next time you see a AAA developer posting on Twitter about how much they care about the players. He'll run around the server, shooting at other players and doing stuff. So break the servers. Break the...
Oh.
Delicious. Wow. Really good if you gotta eat it with your hands and your mouth.
Really?
A lion adopted an antelope. But it doesn't mean I'm jumping in the lion's cage wearing a deer outfit anytime soon. This argument...
Anyways, I head off to try to deactivate this barrier and wind up stumbling across a guy named Jim. He's a pretty interesting guy and winds up telling me about... There are no longer Grandmaster and Novice runes that you can slot and unslot at will. Instead, you just craft a single-sized rune, take it over to... We knew about a lot of this already, but hearing it affirmed by this guy only gives further reason to the rebellion brewing among the...
Nice use of the turning lane.
Basically...
Uh-oh.
There's also some more story. Tessa's parents died. She's the heiress, so she's been throwing constant parties and has hookups with the smuggler from earlier.
Manual recording will now start.
Okay, what are you doing?
But it really feels like it's
Oh, you're waiting so you don't have to park in the back. Okay.
Past guildmaster of Thieves Guild, and is now after the current one. Usually when someone is this hell-bent on destroying a guild...
Rear end.
And Merry Christmas. It's actually a pretty intense fight, which has me using pretty much my entire supply of ammo and makes me feel...
Manual recording will now start.
Nothing at all. Okay, after doing everything all over, I approached the level boss. Damn!
the core again to tell it to serve me as the new colonist, with the options of having it either continue to build battle droids or to start exporting fuel. It involves her invoking the rite of side questing. The rite of side questing is an ancient elven tradition in which any artifact can be claimed for a... To really start tearing into some of the deep